you? Are you threatening me?
I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. Are you going to come up me? You want to come up?
You want to escalate this?
You want to escalate?
You want to escalate it? Oh yeah, I could escalate.
Get out of my face right now.
Why? What are you going to do? Get back in your.
No.
Get back in your vehicle.
Stop circling me.
Shut the. I'm using your tactics against you.
Stop.
Don't call your supervisor right now.
Hell no.
Call your supervisor right now. Don't touch me. Don't just assault me.
Get the away from this car. Yeah, keep backing up. Get the. You live on this road. Go the.
Just you. This is public property. You don't tell me what to do.
The encounter begins during what should have been a standard citizen interaction, but it quickly escalates due to the officer's fragile ego. When the citizen exercises his right to film in public, the female Escambia County Sheriff's deputy becomes visibly agitated because her authority feels challenged. Under the Supreme Court's ruling in Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, the First Amendment protects a significant amount of verbal criticism and challenge directed at police officers. Unable to handle the verbal pushback and the auditor's refusal to back down, the officer lets her emotions dictate her actions rather than her training.
You're good. Excuse me, sir. Sir, if you want to videotape people, you can videotape me. What'd you say?
I can do whatever I want out here.
I'm not saying you can. I just wanted to talk to you.
I don't need to talk to you.
All right, you have a good day, sir. P-A-N-O-Z-O. No, I don't.
I still don't
I'm
want to
just
talk to you.
okay. I'm just curious, like, why you're videotaping people. Okay. I mean, you're allowed to be on the road. It's just
where I'm not allowed to. I think they need to understand that better than I do.
okay. Well, they also don't want you on the property, so I didn't say you were. I said they don't want you on the property.
Nobody told me otherwise.
Okay. Well, I'm telling you now. So if you go on that property, you're gonna get trespassed. So you better stay on this side of the road.
Well, why don't you get it over with and just trespass me now then?
I can't. You're not on the property.
I don't have to be on the property to be trespassed.
Yeah, you do. You want to look at the law? Okay, perfect. What's your name? Perfect. What's your name?
It's none of your business. I'm trespassing,
Well,
right?
technically,
Verbal trespass.
in order for me to trespass.
I call the supervisor if you have a problem with it. You're not getting my ID either.
Okay. If you get on the road, if you get back on the property, if you get back on that property, or what?
Shut your mouth.
Or what?
Shut your mouth.
Or what? You gonna do something to me? You gonna use your little pepper spray?
Something to me?
If you start coming at me, I will.
Shut the You're so scared. Go drive away, dude.
Who said I'm scared?
Yeah.
You're the one that's recording everything.
Yeah, well, you are too, right? You got your body cam on?
Of course I do.
When the tell me that?
I don't have to say
You
it.
don't? No?
No.
No, that's nice.
You want to show me the law that says that?
No, it's probably in your policy, though.
It is.
It is?
To be on, I don't gotta tell you it's on.
Nice little attitude on you, huh?
You do too, little man.
Yeah. Little man, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, take all the I could take you on, though.
Come on then.
Shut the
Then.
Exactly. Take it all
Come
off.
on then.
Take it all off.
Come on then,
Take
man.
it all off. You ain't that badge and gun and
Okay.
and then you'll call backup, you little get up on me. So don't sit here and act tough.
I don't need backup.
Shut up. Yeah,
I don't need backup.
No, with that you don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to do something different?
Yeah. Are you threatening me?
I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question. Are you gonna come up me? You gonna come up?
You want to escalate this?
You want to escalate?
You want to escalate it? Oh yeah, I could escalate.
Get out of my face right now.
Why? What are you gonna do? Get back in your.
Driven entirely by hurt feelings and a perceived blow to her ego, the deputy steps into the man's personal space to assert dominance. Without any legal justification or threat of physical harm from the citizen, she intentionally puts her hands on him and violently pushes him. This abusive behavior directly violates the Fourth Amendment, which protects citizens against unreasonable searches and seizures and strictly forbids officers from using arbitrary physical force. Her lawless reaction transforms a peaceful, protected recording into a clear case of police misconduct and battery.
No.
Get back in your vehicle.
Stop circling me.
Shut the. I'm using your tactics against you.
Stop.
Don't call your supervisor right now.
Hell no.
Call your supervisor right now. Don't touch me. Don't just assault me.
Get the away from this car.
Call the supervisor
Yeah, keep
right
backing
now.
up.
You just assaulted
Get the. You live on this road. Go the.
Just you. This is public property. You don't tell me what to do. Go back in your vehicle. Go detail. Go off. It's a First Amendment protected activity.
I didn't say you couldn't
Then
record.
get the out of here.
This is my detail
No, you
here.
just fucking assaulted me. Now call your.
You were coming up on me.
Call your fucking supervisor right now.
No.
I'm demanding a fucking supervisor right now. You just assaulted me. You just put your hands on me. That's excessive force. Put your fucking supervisor on here now. Now. Do what you're fucking told, servant.
No.
You.
You.
You gonna do?
You circle me, you're gonna get it again.
Oh yeah? You gonna touch me again?
Yeah.
Go ahead, get out of the roadway. Get out of the roadway.
Says the one.
Yeah, says the one with all the gadgets on them to protect them, right?
I'll use them if I have to,
I
but
know you will.
these babies don't lie.
Oh, I'm sure they don't. With your fucking gang tattoos. You know how to stop this? You know how to stop this? Get back in your fucking vehicle.
No, I ain't gonna do what you're gonna tell me.
Oh, you escalated it. Now we're gonna play. Yeah, you haven't met somebody like me, have you?
I have plenty of. I met plenty of before.
I know.
And the way she acting, I don't think she met plenty of them.
Yeah, have you?
I have plenty of. I met plenty of before.
I know. Oh, you're gonna call me fucking names now, huh? You scared? You scared? Call backup. I don't need backup.
Stop fucking circling.
Don't touch me.
Did I touch you?
I can dare you to. Go ahead. Get out of the roadway. You're blocking the road. You're blocking the driveway. Oh man, I flew a long way to fucking you, like you.
Perfect.
Got her.
Fucking circling me again?
Don't fucking touch me.
Did I touch you?
I fucking dare you to. Go ahead. I'm not scared of you either, bitch.
Did I say you were? You
Are you
keep
gonna
putting words in my
fucking
mouth.
tase me?
You keep putting words in my mouth.
Me? You're gonna shoot me? Huh? With all that, dude, you're nothing. Yeah, you're gonna come up on me now. You're gonna come up on me now, huh? I'm not gonna touch you, scared little fucking piggy.
Okay.
Get your back up. Call the supervisor. I demanded one.
I don't gotta call
Go ahead,
him.
I'll call 911.
I don't. Okay, call 911.
I will.
That's totally your right.
I know
Go
it
ahead,
is.
call right now. Call right now.
Recognizing the severe liability and public backlash caused by the officer's clear lack of professionalism, the sheriff's office is forced to take swift action. The agency immediately handles the breach of conduct by pulling the deputy off her assignment and placing her on administrative leave. As established in Monell v. Department of Social Services, 436 U.S. 658, local governing bodies can be held liable when an official policy or custom causes a constitutional deprivation. This disciplinary action serves as an essential step to address the immediate policy violations and protect the department from systemic legal accountability.
You can tell me to.
Okay then. You're the one that wanted it. I got documents in there. You can't be
Don't
recorded.
cover them. Back in your fucking vehicle like I told you the first time.
Once you get away from here,
Get away from where?
from my fucking vehicle.
Have a little professionalism. You swearing at me, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that any
I match your
policies there?
energy. I match energy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead. Let's match it.
Come on.
Let's match it. Don't fucking touch me.
Did I fucking touch you?
Oh, you're pushing me into
Exactly.
the road, though.
I didn't. I'm pushing you because I was touching. Get the f back.
Don't touch me.
Get the f back.
Go ahead. Touch me.
Get the
Touch
back.
me. Touch me.
Stay
bitch.
there.
Yeah, I know. You ain't gonna do shit. That's why you're on detail. That's why you're not even on the fucking road.
This is
Is
an
your
extra
punishment?
detail.
Yeah,
I
overtime.
requested this.
Good.
To protect the people from like you.
Oh, really? That's really nice words. Complaints are gonna go screw through the roof. I can't fucking wait till you get the phone calls.
Ten four, but I got him back here. Just have him come back.
Yeah, have them come back here. Call the supervisor while you're at it. I'm not done with you. I just fucking started.
Okay.
Yeah.
$37. There's also a supervisor tonight. Can they be en route?
110's en route to you. He is a sergeant.
Okay, my fault.
I told you to call back up, didn't I?
There's a supervisor en route.
Good. Exactly what I fucking told you to do the first
He was
time.
already en route. I didn't request
I'm sure
him.
he was.
Okay.
I'm sure he was.
That's
Sitting
why.
over there for over an hour and a half. You don't
Okay, he'll blow smoke up.
because I fucking told you
No,
to.
I didn't.
Yeah.
You can request. You can request the public records if you want. I never requested them. They were already en route.
Good. What, you hit the panic button on you?
No?
Yeah, you did. You did
Okay.
something.
You clearly don't know how shit works around here.
Oh, I see it. You're giving it all to me.
This incident highlights a systemic issue within modern law enforcement, where bad badges use their uniform to bully and intimidate regular citizens. When officers allow personal grievances and anger to override constitutional rights, they completely erode the public trust they are sworn to protect. According to 18 U.S.C. Section 242, it is a federal crime for anyone acting under color of law to willfully subject any person to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution. True accountability means ensuring that corrupt cops who abuse their authority face real legal consequences rather than hiding behind their badge. Like and subscribe for more thanks.